Let's create this awesome dashboard within 5 to 10 minutes. So here is our demo sheet, and you can see we have an interactive dashboard. And let's create the copy of this, or let's start from the scratch and let me tell you how we can do it. So first of all, we have total revenue KPI card here. So I will click on insert, then chart, and then I will choose the chart type would be scorecard chart. Then I will select data range from the online sales sheet. It would be order total and click on OK. So here we have our total revenue. So let me adjust it here, and when I double click it on it, or when I see on the right side, we can aggregate it, then customize. Let's change the chart title to total revenue. I will make it bold, then I will just go into set, customize again, chart style, and I will remove the chart border color by selecting none. So let's change the key value in here from default to 0000000, then from data number format data to custom, and suffix would be m. So the value is in millions. So we have our first KPI card, that's total revenue. Let me copy it and paste it so we can create our next KPI card, that's total orders. So I will double click on it, change the chart title to total orders, then key value to default, and number format to from data. Let's change the data range from online sales M column to order number from the online sales sheet. So here in the order number we have all the unique identifiers. Let's click on OK. So here we have selected only A2, so let's change it again. Instead of online sales A2, I will select the whole column again and click on OK. So here we have got our total orders, but instead of sum we want count. So here we have our total orders. Let's copy this and paste it again, and let's drag it here, and let's change the range. So we are going to create your average order value KPI card. I will double click on the chart, then change the title first from order totals to average order value. Then I will go to setup, change the range from data range. Let me delete it, and from online sales I will need order total. Then we need to add another range. Another range would be order number. Now when I click on OK, we will have our average order value. So let's change it to average. Double click on it, then we can change our key values. So here we have our average total value. These are our three KPI cards on the top. So let's make our next card, that's revenue trend monthly. For that I will click on insert, then chart, then select the combo chart, then in the x-axis I want month column, and in series, I will add order total. Let's aggregate it with by month, and let's change it from combo chart to line chart. Okay, I have chosen smooth line chart here. Let me move it here. Let's add chart axis title, that's revenue trend monthly. Let's make it bold. Okay, let's remove this major grid lines. Okay, so here we have our revenue trend monthly in our. Let's remove the chart border color from gray to none, so we will have our clean chart. Our next chart is revenue by customer type. For that I will click on insert, then chart, and then change the card type to pie chart. Then I will select the data range, that's total, order total. Okay, and then label be customer type. Label would be customer type, that's column D. Okay, control, and then I need to aggregate it. So here we have our pie chart that shows revenue by customer type. So let's add our chart title, that's revenue by customer type. Let's make it bold, and here we also remove the chart border color from gray to none. Let's close it. Let's adjust it. Okay, so we have our revenue by customer type. Let me check what's our next chart is. So it's revenue by category. So again I will go in the dashboard tab, then insert chart, then x-axis would be, our x-axis would be product category, that's product category column from the online sales sheet, column G. Select it and click on OK. Now let's aggregate it and let's add series, that's order total. Okay. So let me adjust it. But before that, let's make our changes. That's remove the gray color from the border to none. Let's close it and let's move it here. And let me just remove these lines, major grid lines. So here we have our revenue by product category. Let's make it bold and close it. So our next three charts are product name, revenue by order type, and customer names. Here we can see our top products and also customer names, and we can see our revenue by order type. Let's insert our first chart, that's product name or top 10 products. So for that I will click on insert, then chart, then here I will choose table chart, then the data range would be product name, so I1 to I from the online sales tab. Click on OK, then let's drag it here, customize table, show row number, pagination. Let's click on setup and use row 1 as header, then let's aggregate it. So here we have our 10 products, but what if you want to see top 10 products on the top? So I will double click here, and here we go. Here we have our product names along with their orders. Let's close it and let's make a copy of this and drag it here. Click on three dots here, then edit the chart, and instead of I column I will select customer name from the online sales tab or sheet starting from E1 to E. Click on OK and we can see our top 10 customers here. Let's close it. So our next chart is revenue by order type, and for that I will just make copy of revenue by customer type and paste it, and let's adjust here and let me click on these three dots and edit the chart. Then instead of customer type I want, let me delete this and add order type from C1 to C, then click on OK. So here we have order type revenue by order type. Let's change the title, and as you can see we have order type here, that's our header, so we can check use row 1 as headers. So here we go. Now let's adjust it here. So here we have our dashboard, but how can we make it interactive? For that I will insert slicer. For that I will go into data, then add a slicer, then I will select the data range, that's online sales, column A to column N, and click on OK. Then I will choose the customer state and let's close it and move it here. Let's make it little bigger. Now when you change the state you can drill down the numbers. So let's change Arizona and see our data change. Let's change our state to Texas, Washington and South Carolina. Click on OK. Here we have our interactive dashboard. If you want to learn how to create these dashboards, let me know in the comment and I will reach out to you for more details. Till then, like, share and subscribe to our channel to get notification when I upload our next video. See you soon.